How to see who viewed your profile on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see who has viewed your profile on TikTok app. Now let me guide you through the video. First, open up the TikTok app. You'll get an interface like this. Head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here, now, if you have the option to view your profile, you'll find a little eye icon on the top right corner of your screen beside the three horizontal line icon. However, if you don't find it here, what you can do is tap on the three horizontal line icon and then head into settings and privacy, and here under privacy scroll down until you find the option watch history or profile view history. However, as you can see, I don't have such option here. Now, not everyone has the access to this feature, so if you don't have one, unfortunately there is no any option that you can get it unless the TikTok provides you with the service itself, and unfortunately it's not clear as to how you can get the option available. And now here I don't have this option available. Before I used to have it, but ever since I updated it I don't have it. So the other way around is if you can simply download the previous versions of TikTok from Google Chrome, then you might be able to get the view option. Or the only way is if someone has liked and commented on your video, then it might mean that they have viewed your profile, or it might just mean that they have commented it from your FYP or following videos. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.